Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to install code blocks on your system. So in case you're looking to start learning C++ or you just want to use C++ to build something. Okay, so this is the right direction to follow. Now all you need to do is visit codeblocks.org, and then this is exactly what you will see there. At the left panel, then you can click on downloads, then download the binary release. Okay, down here you're going to see many options, and we are downloading code blocks 20.03. Okay, you can choose to either download from FirstHub or from sourceforge.net. Okay, yes, and you can see this timer. Yeah, the download just started. All right, once it's complete, then all we just need to do is to install the code blocks. Okay, so let's open the downloaded file. Yes. Click on next. I agree. Then you click on next. Finally install. All right. Do you want to run code blocks now? Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is the code blocks interface. After installing the code blocks, this is exactly what you're going to see. And then let's create a new project. We are creating a console application, which is either C or C++. So this is exactly what we are going to choose. Console application. We click on go. Then if it was a C project that we are creating, then we would have chosen the C option. But we are going with the C++ option. Then let's name our project. Maybe I can just name it um, test file. Then you click on finish. All right. So the project appeared here. Then when I expand the source, I'll be able to see main.cpp. If you double click on it, then you'll be able to see the C++ code. Now, something else is remaining. We've not downloaded the C++ compiler, which we are going to use to run this code now. And if you try running the code, then it's going to show you some error. Maybe you should try it on your own end. All right. So what we have to do is we'll go to the browser, then we need to install one more thing. Okay, just paste this URL. So we want to install the GCC compiler. All right. So you go to sourceforge.net/project/mingw. Then we can click on download. All right. So because it's already on my system, I won't leave the download to continue. So I will just pause it and continue. So, but since you don't have it yet, you should download it. All right. Okay. So after downloading, then you have to install this. Okay, right, install, continue. So because I already installed this, I won't need to do it again. So just go through this process, go through this installation process. I'm going to cancel mine now. All right. After the installation, then you open your file explorer, go to local disk. Then you're going to see the folder here. This is what we just installed, the main GW folder. And if you open it on the bin, you're going to see so many compiler files, the GCC compiler. So it's there. Then let's go back to code blocks. All right. You go to settings, click on the compiler. All right. Then we want to link this compiler to code blocks. Then go to two chain executables. When you click on auto detect, it might not detect your GCC. So you click on these three dots. And then after clicking on the three dots, you should locate where your main GW folder is. Remember, it's in your local disk, inside your local disk. Let's just check for the main GW, and this is it. Just click on it and select the folder, and it's done. All right, then click on OK. Okay, so if you build and run now, you will be able to see your code working. But anyway, your code might not work now. Your code might not work now. So you create a new project. Just go to file, new, and then click on project. Okay, click on console application, go, C++ next. Then maybe let's name it test2 next. Okay, finish. So this time around, let's expand the source of test2 and main ccp, main.cpp. All right, so if you build and run now, your code is going to execute successfully. Okay, so that is it. You can then edit the C++ code. You can add other things and all those other things. Okay, so this is how to install code blocks on your system. If you have any questions, please do well to drop your questions here under the comment section, and I will do well to reply you. Or you can post on any social media platform, either LinkedIn or Twitter, with the hashtag #IoT with Helen, and I'll reply you immediately. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.